Living with diabetes means constantly managing blood sugar levels and ensuring that your lifestyle choices help maintain your health. Diet plays a pivotal role in this process, and incorporating antioxidants can significantly impact your overall well-being. Antioxidants are like your body's own personal defense team. They fight off potentially harmful molecules called free radicals, which can damage cells and contribute to chronic diseases, including diabetes. For those managing diabetes, antioxidants are not just beneficial, they can be a game changer in improving health outcomes and preventing complications. Firstly, let's talk about vitamin C. It's not just for warding off colds. Vitamin C is a potent antioxidant that helps repair body tissues and fend off heart disease, a common concern for diabetics. Studies have shown that vitamin C can help lower levels of inflammation and blood sugar. For instance, a study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that individuals with high vitamin C intake have significantly lower blood sugar levels after meals. This makes vitamin C-rich foods like oranges, strawberries, and bell peppers not just tasty snacks, but also great tools for managing diabetes. Moving on, vitamin E is another superhero in the world of antioxidants, known especially for its benefits in skin health and vision, areas often affected by diabetes. This fat-soluble vitamin helps protect the body's cells from damage and can reduce the risk of heart disease and eye damage, which are complications associated with diabetes. Research, including that from the Journal of the American Medical Association, suggests that regular intake of vitamin E supplements can improve glycemic control in people with type 2 diabetes. Foods rich in vitamin E include almonds, spinach, and sweet potatoes. Another remarkable antioxidant is alpha-lipoic acid, or ALA. This compound works uniquely because it's both water and fat-soluble, meaning it can work throughout the body. ALA has been extensively studied for its effects on nerve health, particularly in diabetic neuropathy, where it helps reduce pain, tingling, and itching. A systematic review in diabetes care concluded that ALA significantly reduces symptoms of diabetic neuropathy, with high doses proving to be particularly effective. Curcumin, the active component of turmeric, not only gives curry its vibrant color, but also works wonders for inflammation and blood sugar levels. Its anti-inflammatory properties are invaluable, as inflammation is a significant factor in insulin resistance. According to a study published in Diabetes Care, curcumin intake significantly lowered the levels of fasting blood sugar in patients with type 2 diabetes. Green tea extract, rich in polyphenols such as epigallocatechin gallate, or EGCG, offers impressive health benefits, including enhancing insulin sensitivity. A meta-analysis in the Chinese Medical Journal found that green tea consumption significantly reduces fasting blood glucose levels and improves HbA1c, a marker for long-term blood sugar control. Resveratrol, found in the skin of red grapes, has gained attention for its role in improving heart health and insulin sensitivity. A study in Nutrition Research reported that supplementing with resveratrol significantly improved glucose control and insulin sensitivity in persons with type 2 diabetes. Selenium, though a trace mineral, packs a powerful antioxidant punch and supports efficient metabolism. Research, including findings from the Journal of Clinical and Diagnostic Research, indicates that selenium supplementation can help reduce oxidative stress and improve glucose metabolism in people with diabetes. Zinc is crucial not just for its antioxidant properties, but also because it helps in the production and storage of insulin. Studies, like one published in the Journal of Diabetes and Its Complications, showed that zinc supplementation can help lower blood sugar levels and improve glycemic control in diabetics. Coenzyme Q10, or CoQ10, is an enzyme produced naturally in the body and important for cell energy production and protecting against cellular damage. Research, such as that from the Journal of Pharmacy and Pharmacology, indicates that CoQ10 can improve blood sugar control and prevent diabetic neuropathy. Lastly, flavonoids are found abundantly in nature, particularly in fruits, vegetables, tea, and even chocolate. These compounds have been linked to reduced risks of diabetes, improved insulin sensitivity, and overall better heart health. A review in the Journal of Nutrition highlighted that flavonoid intake is inversely associated with the risk of type 2 diabetes. When considering the adoption of antioxidants into your diet for diabetes management, it's essential to understand how each one functions in relation to insulin sensitivity and glucose metabolism. For instance, antioxidants like vitamin C and E are not only powerful in neutralizing free radicals, but also play a pivotal role in modulating glucose and lipid metabolism, which are critical factors in managing diabetes. Moreover, substances like alpha-lipoic acid, or ALA, and green tea extract offer additional benefits, such as improving peripheral neuropathy and enhancing the body's metabolic rate, respectively. This kind of targeted dietary strategy can be particularly effective for diabetics, who must carefully balance nutrient intake to avoid blood sugar spikes and manage their insulin levels. Additionally, the inclusion of antioxidants in a diabetic's diet might also mitigate some of the long-term risks associated with diabetes, including cardiovascular diseases and chronic kidney conditions. By lowering oxidative stress and inflammation, common culprits behind these complications, antioxidants can help preserve organ function and maintain overall health. What's more, the psychological benefit of taking active steps towards better health should not be underestimated. Understanding that you have practical and natural options at your disposal can be incredibly empowering. With a variety of antioxidants to choose from, individuals have the flexibility to select those that best fit their health profile and dietary preferences. Whether it's the therapeutic warmth of turmeric in your meals, the refreshing zest of citrus fruits, or the ritual of a calming cup of green tea, each option offers unique benefits and adds a sensory richness to your diet. It's important to approach this integration thoughtfully, perhaps starting with small quantities and gradually increasing them to assess how your body responds. This methodical approach not only prevents potential side effects, but also helps in identifying what works best for your specific diabetic condition. Remember, while antioxidants are beneficial, they are most effective when used as part of a broader, comprehensive approach to diabetes management that includes regular physical activity, medication adherence, and regular monitoring of blood glucose levels. In conclusion, integrating these antioxidants into your diet can help manage diabetes more effectively. Whether through food sources or supplements, their regular consumption can reduce oxidative stress, improve insulin sensitivity, and help manage blood glucose levels. However, always consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new supplement, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are taking other medications. By embracing these antioxidants, you're not just managing diabetes, you're stepping towards a healthier, more vibrant life.